Today my project is about the modern cistern. First of all, my goal was to construct a new modern cistern to collect and store rainwaters and using it for irrigation of plants during the dry seasons and exploring the large areas of our city, and even can be safe for drinking. As you know, our country faces a big problem of dryness, especially as summer seasons between June and November. To solve this problem, I came with a new model of construction of underground cistern. Under the parks that are found in each square, underground cistern keeps cool water during the warmest month of the year and to avoid freezing during the winter months. And I will explain my project. As you see, here is the hose. The hose collects the rainwater and passes through the sand filter. The sand filter cleans the rainwater and enrich it with minerals. That is collected to the cistern. The cisterns are inner walls and the columns are made by copper. The copper creates a natural purification process and it can kill all the microorganisms, molds, fungi and bacteria and present in the water that could be harmful to the body and make the water perfectly fit for drinking. My conclusion is that constructing a new modern cistern in each square may cost, but it will save the life for the living thing for the next generation. Thank you.